Hey, this is Pete, our level Overland. We got snow. Missed a good opportunity to get some video with my old 66 CJ5 plow Jeep with the factory Buick Dauntless V6. Not sure what Frank's up to right now. Frank, got her. Good boy. Y'all remember Frank? My good puppy. Come on, buddy. Let's go inside. Frank don't like the cold, so you stay inside. He wants to go inside. Whoa! I just slid on the ice and almost ate it right there. Whew, we got work to do on the Jeep though. Yeah, so had a little snowstorm come in. Got a little cold out, so prepared. Got a fire going, warming up the shop here. And we're gonna get this Jeep back together. All right, so we took the struts in, got them taken apart, got the spacers put in them, got them back reinstalled, obviously, as you can see. So just getting everything put back together. Now we're at the point of just torquing everything to spec. And one little minor glitch, decided to pee on my floor. Got a little brake line drip leak. So gonna have to replace just a little section of brake line here before we put everything completely back together, but we're getting there. So yeah, just gonna get everything put back together. I'll tomorrow hopefully get a new brake line. We'll get that back together and then put everything the rest of the way together so we can get her in and get wheels, tires, and alignment. Stay tuned. Alright, so we got the new brake line on there, so we're good to go there. So now all we gotta do is throw this tire on and then airbox, battery, get everything under the hood, put back together, and then we're ready to make the appointment for tires and rims. Alright, we got her all back together. We got the new brake line in, got the airbox back in, battery, got everything buttoned up under here. So now I just got to make an appointment for tires, rims, and alignment. Other than that, we're done. Other than that, it's all she wrote. Other than that, till next time. Other than that, that'll do, donkey. That's all I got. A little higher, got some couple inches there. It's 2.5 inch Daystar lift, so of course we got a couple inches, but